Hey party people! Today, in honor of St. Patty's Day, we are whipping up a cocktail that's got Irish cream in it. It's called the Hot Nutty, what is it?
Hot Nutty Irishman.
It's called the Hot Nutty Irishman, and trust me, it's delicious. Now when I say Hot Nutty Irishman, I'm sure you're thinking him. Or maybe him. But no, those guys are hot, maybe not nutty. At any rate, let's get to making the cocktail.
Who are you?
And I forgot to say who I am. I'm Mara from Joyful Hostess. And now we can make the cocktail. To start building our Hot Nutty Irishman, we are going to start with an ounce of Frangelico or hazelnut liqueur, you know, whatever your favorite is. We're going to add to that an ounce of Baileys. So this is really like equal parts. So an ounce of Frangelico, oops, well, I put a little bit more than an ounce in there. It's supposed to be an ounce of Baileys. And then an ounce of coffee liqueur. We're going to put that into our mug. And to that, we're going to add some fresh hot coffee. Oh my gosh, this smells so good, you guys. This is like dessert and a cocktail all in one. And we're going to top it, of course, with whipped cream. Ooh. And then I like to throw on, actually, am I out of frame there? Probably. I like to throw on some grated chocolate on top, just to make it feel a little bit extra special. Ooh, that looks awesome. And there, my friends, we have ourselves a Hot Nutty Irishman. Cheers. Hey, and if you like what you saw here, be sure to subscribe so that every Friday we can be mixing up cocktails together. I can't promise there'll always be a Hot Nutty Irishman involved, but we sure are gonna have some fun. So hit subscribe. Cheers.